Hi and welcome to another video by me, FlowJo. So today we're going to be looking at the URIQuery function on PowerAutomate. So what is a query first? Well, if you look at this YouTube URL, you can see we've got www.youtube.com and then we've got /watch. The /watch is the path parameter. Then we've got a question mark and then a v equals and a load of different characters. Now at that point of the question mark, that's where our query parameters begin. Now I'll link in the description below to a blog post that I've created that explains query parameters more, but essentially we're trying to get the query here, which is the question mark and everything after it in a URL. So the query then is this from that URL. We are trying to remove this, and let's say we are in a dev environment, so we've got youtubedev.com for example /watch, and then we're passing in this parameter, and then we want to move to another environment, say youtubeqa.com /watch. Well, we can easily take this from a particular URL and then replace the host and the path so that we can continue to maintain our query throughout our different environments. Okay, so how do we do this then? Well, we've got our URL and we pass it into our URIQuery function. This will then return us the query parameters. So let's actually take a look at this on PowerAutomate then. Okay, so we are on PowerAutomate and we've got a manual trigger for our flow. We've then got a compose action which has the website address that we just looked at, which is the youtube.com /watch, and then the query parameter. And then we have another compose, which is the URIQuery compose. And this is simply calling the URIQuery function, and we are passing in the output of this compose, which is simply the web address. So what we're expecting back is just this part of the URL. So let's actually kick this off and see what we get back. Okay, so our flow ran successfully. We passed the YouTube URL, and there you can see we have the query parameters come back to us. And that is how you use URIQuery on PowerAutomate. That's it from me, FlowJo. Check out my blog at flowjo.io for more guides on the Power Platform, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.